Hey guys, it's Donovan at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. I would like to talk to you a little bit about the dyno certification on this 2013 Midnight Pearl Street Glide. We put about $875 into this bike. It's got a full 15,000 mile service. We also checked the battery. We put nitrogen in the tires. All critical fasteners are checked. And any moving parts get cleaned and lubricated, like the levers. No squeaks when you pull in on the handles, anything like that. Additionally, during the dyno certification, we flushed the full brake system, both the front brake fluid and the rear brake fluid, fresh .4 in there. Some of my favorite features on this bike, we have Avon grips. It came to us with an aftermarket aquatic AV radio, which is Bluetooth compatible. Fairing lowers, color matched to Midnight Pearl. It has Reinhardt slip-ons here, the classic chrome with black tips. Harley-Davidson tri-pouch here on the windshield. Magnetic closure, nice and easy to use for little fobs, as you're touring, maybe the Easy Pass, things like that. Again, Donovan from Wilkins Harley-Davidson, 2013 Street Glide in Midnight Pearl. Exact mileage, 15,810. Looking forward to speaking with you. Give us a call, 802-476-6104.